Hi everybody, this is CR number 8, helper video number 2, and we have 5 plus 4 times the value 3 plus x. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to write that down here. Now what I want you to notice is that when we do order of operations, we obviously have to do parentheses first. Well, in this situation, we can't combine anything inside of the parentheses, so the first thing we need to do is actually remove the parentheses. In order to do that, we take whatever is on the outside of the parentheses. Remember to include the sign with that number. So it's a positive 4, and we have to multiply that by each term inside the parentheses. So a positive times a positive is a positive, and 4 times 3 is 12. Then I'm going to look at a positive times a positive. Remember, there's always a 1 here in front of that x, and 4 times 1 is 4. And I go ahead and bring along the x value. Now remember, I still have this 5 out here, so all that I do is bring it down because it was not a part of the distribution going on. I then need to simplify or combine my like terms, so I'm going to make columns of x's and no's. Sorry about my writing there. And under my x's, I have a 4x. Under my nose, I have a 5, and I have a positive 12. So if I'm going to go ahead and combine these, I have a 4x, and then 5 plus 12 is 17, and it's a positive 17. Now notice up here the way it's written, the 17 comes first, but it doesn't matter. As long as the 17 is positive here and positive here, and as long as the 4x is positive here and positive here, that means it's the same answer. Good luck.